Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of me showing you how you can finesse your own natural hairstyle. So as you just saw in the video, now this can be your bridal updo, your bridesmaid updo, back to school, back to work, whatever it is that you're feeling like. So before this hairstyle, I had washed my hair the day before using the Venice meets Mars hair products. As you can see, my hair looks fresh, it looks healthy, shiny, a little bit of bouncy. So I'm gonna do a wash day tutorial using their products. They really work well on my hair because, child, look at how shiny my hair is, look at how healthy my scalp is. Please don't mind the toddler in the background because there's nothing I can really do about that. Guys, are you seeing my afro? What? It's afroing. So I first started by sectioning the front side of my hair into an L-shaped line, and I used the Isoplus hairline and edge holding gel to part my lines or make my lines more neater. So it's an L-shaped or number 7 line, as you can see that I'm showing in the video. Basically the hairstyle is self-explanatory, but I'm just going to explain it still because some people prefer that I do so. So I'm just gonna hope that my explanation makes sense. So this is the L-shaped line or number 7, and then you put the hair in the front, at the back. You put the hair at the back in rubber bands because we're now working with the front section. So I'm going to do a flat twist because I'm not really good with braiding my hair. If you also don't know how to do a flat twist, I would suggest that you look at videos that specifically show you how you can flat twist your hair. But this is me attempting and didn't come out too bad. So when flat twisting, make sure that you're not doing it too tightly to give your hair a bit of puff. So when you're done with the flat twist, you're going to attach your Mali kinky hair, which is the one that we will be wrapping around our afro at the back. The video showing you guys attaching the Mali kinky hair got distorted, so I'm really sorry for that. But if you are a regular on my channel, you already know how to attach the Mali kinky hair onto your natural hair because I do that quite often. So you can go to my previous videos as reference on how you can attach your natural hair. So after then, I attached 2 pieces of the Mali kinky hair, and now I'm going to work on the back section of my hair. I'm going to be using 2 brushes as shown in the video, and I'm going to brush back my hair. I'm just gonna brush back my hair, and the whole point is just to give it that fluffy look. So you need to make sure that you stretch out your hair first before doing this hairstyle. So after brushing out the hair, I'm going to tie it into a ponytail, and I'm going to tuck in that ponytail. So make sure that your ponytail is not showing. I fixed mine at the end, but at the beginning it was quite showing and I wasn't really happy with that, but at the end I did fix it. So you just tie it into a ponytail, a small ponytail, and you tuck in that ponytail, and then after that you wrap the attached kinky hair on your back section of the hair. I really hope my explanation makes sense. But yeah, this hairstyle was really quick and easy. This is actually the second time me recreating this look. I got this hair inspo from Adana Madweke. I'm gonna list her name here because I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but I got this hairstyle inspo from Adana, and this is my second time recreating it because I feel like it didn't get the love that it deserved when I first started out my channel, and I just want my new subscribers to also see and recreate this look because it's quite easy and it's very elegant, it's very classy, it's very natural. So I really liked it, and I was really excited in recreating the look because it came out looking fabulous, as it should, because our hair is fabulous. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you were just stopping by and you like what you see, I really hope that you join the family. So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. To the new subbies, hi and welcome. Thank you for joining the family. I will see you guys at the end of the video, but this is basically it. I went ahead to do my edges, but like I say always on my videos, your edges are optional. If you don't like doing your edges, you don't have to. If you do, you can, but this is how it would look like without the edges. This is just me done with the style, but you know me, I like being extra. I like some little badaz on my hairstyles. So yeah, thank you very much for clicking on this video, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, I ate this look up. This literally took me less than 20 seconds to finish, and these are the final results. It looks good, it looks beautiful. I love how neat and shiny my hair looks. Like I said, it's the Venice meets Mars hair products. And yeah guys, thank you very much for watching once again. And this is how it came out looking like. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on the comment section. And yeah, if you made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please do the right thing. Click on the subscribe button, notification bell to be notified each time that I post. Share this with your friends who might be interested. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Roadto5k on Instagram, Tito on Twitter, and Roadto5k Natural Hairstyles on Facebook. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.